unlocking the secret to reversing prediabetes naturally. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. Understanding prediabetes involves recognizing the risks and accepting the realities. It's a wake-up call indicating that your blood sugar levels are higher than normal, yet not high enough to be type 2 diabetes. Incorporating certain foods into your diet can be a powerful step in fighting prediabetes. Foods high in fiber, lean proteins, and healthy fats work together to stabilize blood sugar levels effectively. Exercise plays a crucial role in managing blood sugar. Regular physical activity, especially a mix of aerobic and resistance training, can significantly improve insulin sensitivity, helping to control prediabetes. Keeping track of your blood sugar levels is vital for monitoring progress. It helps in understanding how different foods and activities affect your blood sugar, enabling more informed lifestyle choices. Weight loss can be a game changer in reversing prediabetes. Even a modest reduction in body weight can improve insulin sensitivity, lower blood sugar levels, and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Hydration plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. Drinking ample water helps flush out excess glucose through urine, making it a simple yet effective strategy in managing prediabetes. Adequate sleep is often overlooked in blood sugar management. However, quality rest can significantly improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels, showcasing sleep's pivotal role in combating prediabetes. Stress can wreak havoc on blood sugar balance, leading to spikes and crashes. Employing stress reduction techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga can help maintain a more consistent blood sugar level. Eating at regular intervals helps prevent sudden spikes or drops in blood sugar, promoting stability throughout the day. Consistent meal timing is essential for those looking to manage or reverse prediabetes effectively. Incorporating high-fiber foods into your diet is a powerful way to fight prediabetes. Fiber slows down sugar absorption, helping to maintain steady blood sugar levels, making it a key ally in your dietary arsenal. Cutting down on sugar is crucial for managing prediabetes. Start by identifying hidden sugars in processed foods and opting for natural sweeteners. Small, consistent changes can lead to significant health improvements. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, play a pivotal role in a prediabetes diet. They help manage hunger and stabilize blood sugar levels, making them indispensable. Understanding carbohydrates is essential. Not all carbs are created equal. Focusing on complex carbohydrates like whole grains and vegetables rather than simple sugars can improve blood sugar control and energy levels. Alcohol and caffeine have significant impacts on blood sugar. Moderating intake can prevent spikes and crashes, aiding in the regulation of blood sugar levels. It's about balance rather than elimination. Herbal remedies and supplements often promise blood sugar control, but it's important to approach them with caution. Consulting with a healthcare provider ensures they complement your prediabetes management plan safely. The power of community cannot be overstated when fighting prediabetes. Having support groups or accountability partners provides encouragement, shares knowledge, and fosters a sense of belonging, making health goals more attainable. Regular checkups with healthcare providers are crucial. They offer professional insight into your progress, adjust treatments as necessary, and provide invaluable advice on managing prediabetes effectively, ensuring you stay on track. When diet and exercise seem insufficient, medication may become necessary. It's designed to help manage blood sugar levels more effectively, acting as a supplementary tool alongside lifestyle changes to combat prediabetes. Making lifestyle changes is challenging, but with the right strategies, these changes can become permanent. Setting realistic goals, celebrating small victories, and maintaining a positive outlook are key to long-term success in reversing prediabetes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.